Welcome to Dev GS channel. Between which of the destination the first Indian train was started? A. Pune to Delhi. B. Ranch to Delhi. C. Mumbai to Kolkata. D. Mumbai to Thane. Time starts now. Correct answer is D. Mumbai to Thane. The largest national enterprise of India? A. Indian Railway. B. Indian Shipyard. C. Airways. D. None of these. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Indian Railway. When was first electric train started in India? A. 1920. B. 1925. C. 1929. D. 1924. Time starts now. Correct answer is B. 1925. The headquarters of Northern Railway is at A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Hyderabad. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. New Delhi. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? A. 16. B. 18. C. 19. D. 22. Time starts now. Correct answer is C. 19. Who was the first female loco pilot in India? A. Surekha Yadav. B. Rose Million Bethu. C. Punita Arora. D. Sushma. Time starts now. Chawla. Correct answer is A. Surekha Yadav. The largest integral coach factory in India is located at A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Hyderabad. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Chennai. In which of the following cities the first subway train was started? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Kolkata. D. Delhi. Time starts now. Correct answer is C. Kolkata. Which is the fastest train in India 2025? A. Vande Bharat Express. B. Mahamna Express. C. Shatabdi Express. D. Duronto Express. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Vande Bharat Express. The headquarters of South Railways is situated at where? A. Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. Time starts now. Correct answer is B. Chennai. A station where the rail lines end is called A. Terminal station. B. Junction station. C. Block station. D. Wayside station. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Terminal station. Which is the longest rail route in India? A. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. B. Mangalore to Jammu. C. Tirunelveli Jammu. D. None of these. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Who of the following was the first railway minister of independent India? A. Susmita Mishra. B. Indira Gandhi. C. John Mathai. D. Mamata Banerjee. Time starts now. Correct answer is C. John Mathai. Where was the first metro rail started in India? A. Kolkata. B. Mumbai. C. New Delhi. D. Hyderabad. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Kolkata. Who is the Metro Man of India? A. Elattuvalapil Sridharan. B. Ramesh Mishra. C. Sumay Roy. D. Himanshu Pradhan. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Elattuvalapil Sridharan. Which is the slowest train in India? A. Taj Express. B. Nilgiri Express. C. Duronto Express. D. Lifeline Express. Time starts now. Correct answer is B. Nilgiri Express. Which of the following has been declared the World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1999? A. Konkana Railways. B. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. D. Delhi Railway Station. Time starts now. Correct answer is B. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Who of the following is known for having designed the first railway timetables? A. George Bradshaw. B. George Bradman. C. George Brummel. D. George Bernard Shaw. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. George Bradshaw. The first Indian railway line was opened by the British. A. Delhi to Bombay. B. Howrah to Mumbai. C. Bombay to Thane. D. Puri to Delhi. Time starts now. Correct answer is C. Bombay to Thane. Which is the longest rail cum road bridge in India? A. Bogibeel Bridge. B. Vembanad Bridge. C. Nehru Setu or Upper Sun Bridge. D. None of these. Time starts now. Correct answer is A. Bogibeel Bridge.